Reverend Richard Kinnaman from Metro Manila District. From District of Standard Tagalog, Reverend Randolph Leda. From Calao District, Reverend Emmanuel Casaban. From Cebu District, Reverend Jeremiah Dubrito. From Negpas District, Reverend Warson Garcia. West Mindanao District, represented by Reverend Paul Antes. North Mindanao District, represented by Reverend Rolando Apitita. Maximo Tamba from East Zamboanga District. Reverend Fillmore Cornelia from Sambas District. From Sulu, Awi District, Reverend Victor Alvarez. From North Central Mindanao District, Reverend Alex Mante. Northeastern Mindanao District, Reverend Inestego Salan. From Metro Davao District, Reverend
James.
From Northeastern Cotabato District, Reverend Emerito Caldo. From District of Mount Apple, Reverend Lorenzo Jr. Nano. South Mindanao District, Reverend Benedicto Barreto. South Mindanao Cultural Community District, Reverend Pacifico Bar. Sarangani District, Reverend Marcelo Lee. Sultan District, Reverend Ronnie Dao. Central Mindanao District, Reverend Alfonso Guerra. Northwestern or Northwest Luzon Commission, Reverend Isidro Camilas Jr. And from Bicol Commission, Reverend Sonny Masado. And now, let's welcome our national officers, starting off with the Director, Department of Publications and Communications, Reverend Agustin de la Cruz. Director of Church Planting, or Director of Church Planting, Dr. Rogelio de Brito. Director of Department of Alliance Christian Schools and Department of Christian Education Local Church, Dr. Helen Ponce. Administrative Assistant to the Bishop, Reverend Joel Garcia. Our National Treasurer, Reverend Raimundo Eddy. Our National Executive Minister, Division of General and National Education, Reverend Jerry Niños. Our National Executive Minister, Division of Missions, Reverend James Kisberin. National Executive Minister, Division of Administration and Finance, Reverend Joseph Reyes. Auxiliary Bishop, National Executive Minister, Division of Church Minister, Auxiliary Bishop Eduardo St. Callis, and our President, Bishop William Joel Neva. A round of applause once again. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally open the 50th General Assembly of CAMACOM, let's welcome the District Ministry Supervisor of Sembolesa District. Let's welcome the Executive Bishop,
Cebuanesa and Cebuanos would like to say, mayong pag-abi-abi sa tanang nga kaigsunan sa kamako sa ngalan sa atong Ginoong Jesucristo nga atong manluluwas.